Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless. Welcome back to my channel. This video is basically part 2 of the pattern haul. I split it into 2 videos because I had bought so many patterns rather than just sit and go through one after the other. I just kind of split it in half. And so that was the first video. I'll try to link up above on one of the iCards, I guess. This one is some of the most recent ones that I've purchased. So I'll go through these. I've got my notes ready, and so let's get started. So the first one is this vintage 1960s vintage simplicity pattern. It is 9371. Now with these patterns, most of these, if not all of them, I actually bought the display. If you go into Joann's, you'll see that they have display copies, I guess, when they first come out. They issued them numbers like this, and I wrote on here what the actual pattern number is if you were to look in the pattern books. This one is 9371. It is a dress with collar, cuff, and sleeve variations. The collar and the cuff is detachable, which is kind of interesting. But this is for woven fabrics. The next one is 9373, which is a sweater. It's a cardigan sweater. I just really like the style of the sweater, and you've got some options here. This one is for knits, and you've got different length variations on this one as well. And all of the sizes from extra small to extra large are included in one pattern envelope, which is always a good thing too, because then you can, if you trace patterns, you can trace whatever your size is and still have the pattern intact. This one here, the next one, is a knit vest pattern, a 9374, Simplicity 9374. And I like the vest that's actually on the model here. I think I have some fabric that I might be able to use for something like this, especially like a sweater knit. Just thought this would be sort of an easy kind of thing to make. Another pattern that I saw is Simplicity 9385. And it is this knit top pattern with different variations. So you've got some options here, and it's one that looks a little more like just a turtleneck down here. But I like patterns with lots of options. This one actually does have sizing. The pattern that I got is from 16 to 24. So you'll have sizes 6 through 14 in a different pattern envelope. So the next is Simplicity 9376. This is a pants pattern. As you know, I've been making a lot of pants lately. I do want to add more pants to my wardrobe eventually, more dress pants, because I really don't have a whole lot. I've got jeans, but I want more trousers, slacks, whatever you want to call it. This one I thought was interesting. It's a pull-on trouser is what it says, but I believe it's just the elastic is just in the back. The front waistband looks flat, and on the back you can see where that's where the elastic is. So something like this, I've made skirts like this. I've not made pants like this before, but it's always something that's really comfortable. This is also for woven fabrics. Chino, corduroy, cotton blends, flannel, linen blends, stretch wovens, lightweight wool. So that would be a good option for the fall, winter months to have as well. And the last thing here, Simplicity 9312. As you know, I've been making aprons. I'll show you this one in a minute. This one is kind of interesting because it's a crossover in the back, and I guess you pull it on over your head. I just went ahead and picked it up since it was on sale. It might come in handy one day. That's actually why I end up with a lot of patterns, because I think they might come in handy one day. Or I might want to make them, since I don't really do the trendy sewing. I sew the stuff that I really actually like and want to wear. Sometimes I'll be looking for a pattern that may not be actually available right now. That's one of the reasons I end up buying patterns, and I do try to get them on sale so I can just put them aside and use them when I need to use them. So this is the Girl Boss apron. Got the 2 pockets. This is in my Etsy store. So I'll try to leave a link below so you can check that out if you like. But let me know in the comments below, what kind of things are you all sewing? What are you buying? I thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave it down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.